So today I have trout fillet, and this is my first time making trout, so we are going to try it and see how it turned out. For our seasoning, I have half a teaspoon of paprika, less than half a teaspoon of bouillon cube, less than half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of garlic, and a teaspoon of brown sugar. So what you want to do is mix it all together. You want it to mix well. So now that we combine everything, put that aside, and you want to dry up your trout because you don't want it to be too wet. When it's dry, it becomes juicier. So now that you dry it, take your seasoning and put it on your fish.